Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with factory installed protection on the display. So just take a look here, and as you can see on the edges, I will take off this case a little bit. Okay, right here you can definitely spot there's something is on the display, and here where is the cutout for the camera. So here we got the very thin foil, and it comes almost from the edge to the edge, and the display is totally flat, so it sticks really good, and that's how it looks. If you want to protect your smartphone more, I can recommend you to get something like tempered glass, so it will be much better. It get better protection from the scratches and even sometimes from the breaks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.